Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I will list this pan of colors specifically in the video underneath, but I'm going to add some colors now. This is a 16 by 16 inch 16 by 16 inch pre-primed dry black canvas. I'm going to try and mess up my colors some. Change them up just a little bit. Dazzling white. Some more Rhapsody Rose. Some saffron. I want a little turquoise. Maybe this time I'll use some blue flame. I think that's a good idea. And since I'm using white, I'm going to try some Whispering Wisteria. And I didn't use any Dancing Fuchsia previously, so I'm going to do some of that too. And since I'm in it to win it, I'm going to use some more yellow, custom yellow. Seems like it's not coming out very easily anyway. And then I'm probably going to throw a little black all over the top, just to break it up. And I did already use some Miami magenta. I'm going to use a little more. And this is Cyan Aqua. Which I hope works out okay. I might wind up needing a little bit of gold. And I said I wanted some black, so black I'm going to add. Just a little. Just enough, hopefully. So my scoop is nothing more than a sheet of stiff plastic scored with something sharp on a straight edge, and then I think I'll leave that right there. This isn't my favorite scoop dish, but I've done 3 paintings with this leftover stuff, so it's time to get on with it. Hoping my head isn't directly underneath the camera and suspecting that it might be. I like what the black did. Thinking I'm gonna see if that'll move at all. I could blow it out, I suppose. You have to scrape off the bottom or it'll drip right. I could use another tool also. Need to stop and wait once in a while for things to clear themselves out. Of the scoop, I mean. I'm really inclined to go ahead and grab one of my shovels. Tip your shovel down, you can do what I'm doing, which is create a ribbon pouring out of the corner. kind of fun. All that made me want purple, which is a good thing I've got that Whispering Wisteria in there, because that might be next. This is interesting for sure. I'm going to grab some of this, hopefully paint right out of the shovel. Maybe twice. So I like the colors, they haven't become too weird yet. There is some patience involved. I'm sure I could probably lead those with a skewer if I wanted to. So far, other than that thing I see that needs to go out, maybe it was just a bubble. I want some more yellow right now, and it's really hard to get out of that one bottle, so maybe I'll use the tangerine, which is another yellow orange. That's not okay, so it's down to Tuscan Sun, and hopefully it'll come out. I'll give it a try. I've got some bottle tips to clean out, evidently. That's not coming out too fast, but it does show me that I want some dots. Now whatever color you start your scoop on is going to be at the back of the shovel, so if you want a different color, you need to figure that out into your process. Looks a lot like I'm going to have to get rid of some bubbles. At a certain point in time, I'm going to just have to decide to stop, I think. like the negative space, and I think it's going to wind up being about the negative space. Got a weird shape there I'm not sure what to do with. That's pretty cool. So far so good. Wow, how far do I really want to take this? I love how the colors are jumbled in the dish. Slowly. Time to use the little scoop again to clean the shovel out, because the colors in there are still good and they're not going to come out easily. Try not to drip, but in this case, it's all part of the process. We'll just give it some dots and call it good. And I think it is. I like it a lot. I'm not sure how many dots to go for. Very neutral colored dots. But I kind of don't mind that. I'm going to try and take some of this blue here. If I can find a viable skewer. Yep, I'm not going to go overboard. That's that. We don't know what it is, but we like it. We're going to torch to get rid of some of the bubbles. I see a few bubbles here, but I'm not going to take the time to do that on camera. I like laying those black lines across. They add really dramatic accent to everything. That's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Thanks for joining me. The purple may not stay as bright, but it could because it's over white. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My created playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.